In this video, I'm going to show you how to open HankoTrade account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to HankoTrade.com and you want to click on Open Free Account, top right. And this will take you to their register page over here where you basically have to put in some of your basic info and then press sign up. Whenever you do that, you'll get the access to their dashboard over here where you can then go ahead and actually open your trading accounts either for live trading or for demo trading. So go to the home tab, click on either live or demo, click on create an account, then you can select your platform you want to use, your account type, and then whenever you choose your account type, you'll be able to select your currency, your account leverage, as well as your amount you want to be deposited in case it's a demo account. And then you will click on create account. Your account will be created. You'll be able to see it here on the home tab under your live or demo accounts. And then via that, you can go ahead and start using it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.